Hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you. Okay? Alright, let's make some coconut cookies from scratch. Would you like to do that with me? Wonderful. Oh, give it a thumbs up, would you? You can go ahead and do that now because you know you're going to like it. Share the video and subscribe. Check out my links below if you would like to support this channel in any way. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, the cookies are in the oven on 350 and that's going to take between 8 and 10 minutes. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. We want the edge to be brown. The edge, not the middle, the edge. Okay? Alright, so while we're doing that, let's process the balance of the cookie dough into baggies. These are sandwich bags. So I'm just going to take a chunk, put in the bag like so, and take a little more. You want to make sure you fill across the bottom. So you see it's filled to this point, but this side is not full. I got to put some here, okay? Okay, now that I have it all in the bag, you're going to push down, sort of like making a round circle, okay? Now you're going to roll it, and then seal it off. Okay, and then I like to put mine in another bag, so I double seal it. Okay, and so that's how we're going to do it. Now you're going to put this in the freezer. When you get ready to have cookies, you don't have to thaw it out or anything. You can take it out frozen, slice it however thick you want, okay? About a ½ inch is good, but it's up to you. And then you're going to put it on the cookie tray. Remember, I put a couple of drops of oil on the cookie tray and took a paper towel and rubbed it in. So you're going to put it on the cookie tray, and then you're going to bake it for 8 to 10 minutes, or until, or is the key word, until the edge of the cookie is brown. Okay? Okay, so let's keep going with this. Okay, I have it in the bag. We're going to push down so that we're spreading it across the whole width of the baggie. Okay, and now let's roll it up. Put it in another baggie. Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Okay, I got to put some more here. Okay, now we're going to push down all the way across. And then we're going to roll up. Okay, we're going to put it in the second bag. Roll it up again. Seal it off. Okay. And I think we can do one more. Maybe one, maybe two, we'll see. Up, two more. Okay, so we're going to roll it as usual, seal it off. This is this next one. We're going to seal it off. Now we're going to put it in two more baggies. And double bag the last one. Okay, let me clean this up and we'll count how many we have. Okay, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one in the oven is 6. 6 packs of cookies. So if you cut them so that you get the large cookies, you'll get 6. If you cut that in half again, you'll get a dozen out of each package, okay? So 5 left over for the freezer, 1 in the oven. That's a pretty good deal, okay? Alright, so I'm going to come back with the word of the day and take the cookies out, okay? 1 second. Okay guys, the cookies are out and I want to show you this. You see how it's dark around the edge? Can you see that? Around the edge, right? That's what you're looking for, not dark on the top. So now we're going to let this sit on the counter for about 10 minutes to harden up more. Okay, if you leave it in the oven, it will harden up more, but it won't be soft. And you kind of want them soft when you cook them hot, okay? Alright, so I'm going to let that sit for 10 minutes. And then we'll be back. Okay, thanks. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is jealousy. Jealousy. It starts out cute, but it could end up deadly. It's a control mechanism. It's something that one person uses to control others. Usually because they're doing the cheating in the first place, and also because of their insecurities. So if you're with someone that have a jealousy rage, you might want to run. Okay, that's the word of the day. Jealousy. It's not good. Alright, talk to you soon. Oh, no, I don't want to talk to you soon. I want to show you the coconut cookies. Okay, let's do that. Please. Okay, here's the cookies. Okay. Alright, now what I want to show you is, I'm going to just take one. Now, look at the back. not burnt, right? Edge is like a darker spot, darker coloring than this middle part, okay? Look how I can just push that right in, see? Soft, okay? So if you break it in half, look how soft that is, see? Very soft. That's the way you want them. And so let me take a taste for you. If I can get the camera up. And take a taste. Mmm. Chewy. Wow, that coconut comes right through. Oh, a glass of milk. That would be a home run. Okay, so now you know how to make coconut cookies from scratch. Enjoy that, okay? Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Check out my links below. Until next time, it's been a pleasure serving you. Bye-bye.